Yeah, so we were discussing, right? So Dipali, it is something no कि जब इसके पहले वाली जो बुक थी, that was written in a very simple and sweet language. मतलब हर एक स्टेप से आपको कुछ ना कुछ की nuggets मिलते थे where you can directly apply those principles in your life. And also the way the examples were given, those were very मतलब very in a very simple words they were put it over there. यहाँ पे क्या है, it has been written since past 90 years. 70-80 साल पहले लिखा गया है.
This is
Examples.
too.
हम्म. Yeah, go ahead.
Now, this book is too old. Even today, I am just reading the introduction part. Then I
Mhm.
get to know that this is something which is like an epic one, because in today's era, like the time changes, and obviously we have some different approach as compared to the previous one.
Right.
But the ethics and the norms are same. Like
Absolutely.
for being a successful person, or for being a, like you can say, happier person, there's something which is as fixed at what we have today and the like the yesterday. So this is
Mhm.
something, this is something which give us inspire us that things, good things are not going to be changed. It is
Mhm.
going to be, whether it is today or yes, like previous year or what else.
Absolutely. Absolutely. The principles also that he shared to, I mean, to build a good relationship with the friends, and it's not just can be applied in your personal space, but also you can see these can be applied directly to your corporate world as well. The things that he mentioned कि मतलब हमको बचपन से सिखाया भी जाता है कि we need to greet people, right? Good morning, good evening, and all. And many examples we have heard of कि जितने भी कंपनीज के सीईओज होते हैं, they approach to their each every an employee and then greet them not just by their position or title but by their name. Hey Shashank, how are you doing? या फिर hey Dipali, how are you doing? Although it does not matter कि whether you are on a manager position or a CTO or a CFO or a junior manager or just an employee, but the focus that is emphasized that ki, even if you are someone, anyone from any domain, be it a personal space, if you are taking that person's name while addressing him, that creates an impact and that puts an additional value कि हाँ भाई मतलब you are taking that personal name. और इस चीज के बारे में भी इसमें फोकस किया गया that he gives that example. So
Mhm.
okay, so what we will do is that we will since we have very less number of people, also we have one more meeting to join, so we'll keep it very short. And what we will do is that since many of you are connecting, I mean just 2 weeks back or maybe more than that, so what we'll do is that we'll just go one round of that, starting from me. We'll go ki matlab what happened in the past days, what major things that you faced, anything in your personal space, in your family space, in your career space, and what good things that happen. You may highlight couple of good things, and then we in the second round we can talk about the learnings from the books, and then we can discuss, and then we can move ahead with the discussion. All right, so let's start with me. So it's been for me, the last week has been a fantastic week. A lot of engagements have been done. I was in my I mean in my personal space, academic front, I was able to progress in my thesis work. Along with also that, I have been able to conduct in the partnership or collaboration of IEIESA. We were able to conduct, I mean, a session for the upcoming juniors to join at IME, IIT Kanpur, and other relevant departments in other IITs. So that was one of the good things that happened. Along with that, one of my very dearest friend, very close friend, our departmental students, he was in a very panic mode. His family got COVID and all, but we came front and we helped him a lot. Many of the people also friend, and now his situation is very good, and it's very good to know that his father's situation is very controlled and all. So that was one of the positive feeling that we had. And yes, definitely Harsh, definitely he received one of the gifts, and that was something amazing feeling for me as well. It gives a sense of satisfaction. Yes, our group is growing and people are learning, applying those principles in his life. Unfortunately, he is unable to attend in today's session because some unfortunate things happened in his family, and so that's why he just messaged me 5 minutes ago. Hey, Saurabh, I won't be able to attend. But again, let's hope and pray that everything will be good at his end, and people will recover and everything will be fine soon. So these are the major things in my academic and personal space. And yeah, my family, everyone is doing great. Everyone is fantastic here. Okay, so yeah, Deepali, would you like to go next?
Yeah, sure.
Great.
Yesterday, like the previous days were good, but the thing is, obviously this like pandemic is in on the peak, so it gives a little headache. What is going in our world? People are like the death rate is increasing day by day. So this is something which destroys somewhere, like mentally gives it hurts, but the thing is we have to move on, because this pandemic gave us that reason to be stable in the present, so you can secure your future. This is something which I learned from the pandemic. Like, things may be worse, maybe we have to see more days which are worse than today, but the thing is we have to be patient, we have to be learn the things which will improve our coming days. So this is something which I learned. And if I am talking about the book, this book, I told you in the starting that I don't find this book as interested as the previous one, because this book is something which give the small stories. This is not something which relate from starting to the end. So somewhere I disconnect my concentration. So this is something which is little difficult for me to figure it out, that how I'm going to complete this. But obviously this is given by you, so uh, मतलब ऐसे है कि करना ही है, I have to do it in any case. So I just read it for the sake of younger one. So I just completed the second part of this, and I figure out some good points. Obviously this book contains some good points, this is like truth. And the things which we ignore in our day to day life, they put it down. So the words, when we read it, we just connect with all the practical situation with the paragraph, you can say. So obviously I get some principles from the video, because I don't I am not that much interested in reading. So obviously this book is very good, and this helped me to understand the practical situation with the small dots which we are not connected, to whom which we are not connected, that give me that impressive idea ki acha, agar ye karenge to things are going to be normal. So this is something which I learned from in my like previous days.
Absolutely. That's great. That's fantastic. Anything in your family? Everyone is safe and sound there?
हाँ,
Yeah,
अभी
good.
everything is good, but people's are little like
Scared.
हाँ, scared about it.
Hmm.
But the thing, we have to fight with this, because
Absolutely.
everyone is doing the same.
Definitely, definitely. See, this pandemic, I would like to add couple of points here. Dipali stated definitely her words definitely resonated with everyone who is present here and other people who was also not here. But the thing is that this pandemic has definitely not affected in our country and our family, but also whole world has been affected with this pandemic. And the only thing that we need to do is that we have realized that families relationship matters the most. They are the only people that are our priority and all. And secondly, what we realize is that the major takeaway is that now we do not have to shift for the treatments. Now the treatment days are gone. We need to shift our priorities from treatment to preventive measures, because if anyone, be it a small child or a younger one or a old generation, if their immune system is strong, they will be able to fight it. So if you particular individual people are strong, you will be able to fight this pandemic. And this is not going to stop. Maybe let's not hope so, but who knows what things will happen in the upcoming years or so. So what we need to focus is that we need to focus our shift from treatment measures to preventive measures. And how can we do that? A lot of things that we can do. We can build and improve our immune system. We can shift our habits to eat a lot of vegetables, green vegetables and foods stuffs. And you can also include supplements in your daily life. That is very very important. तुलसी के पत्ते होते हैं, वो सब खाना हमको बहुत जरूरी है. जितने भी तेल मसाले ऑयली स्टफ्स होते हैं, that we need to reduce, so that our immune system is building strong. If you are having frequent colds or sneezing, that we need to consult to some of the doctor or physician, and we need to take steps in that. So our immune system, every part needs to be built and strong. Secondly, we need to also include some meditation and yoga in our daily lifestyle. Right, breathing exercise is something which is also known as in Sanskrit में प्राणवायु बोलते हैं. So that also we need to work on some part of meditation, yoga, and some little bit of exercise. So we need to be very preventive on that. So we always used to say, no, action cures fears. Yes, definitely everyone has the fear, but if you sit idle, if you don't do anything, so things won't get enough. You can write in your notes that action cures fears. This is one of the favorite quote that my senior mentor used to say. Action cures fears. So it's very important. All right. Thank you, Deepali, for sharing your thoughts and all. Yeah, Vishesh, would you like to go next?
Uh, Hello, hi everyone.
Hey, it's been
I
so
have
long.
connected
Yeah, it's been so long
so
to
long.
connect with you. So you can,
Uh,
yeah, talk about how the journey, matlab, past days has been.
Actually, from last 2 to 3 weeks, I was very busy. Actually, my sister's marriage is there on 27th April.
Many
So,
congratulations.
thank you.
Good, good.
Actually, things are going to very busy because my sister cousin sister's marriage is there, and my brother's marriage is also going to happen. I don't know when, but we are approaching, and like that things happens. This week's was very busy in my family, so I was not connected with you all. And another things, actually we prepared very well for marriage before, and the things happens, as Dipali mentioned, we can't expect the things in future. So we plan for big occasion first. We are organizing 1200 people's food, and now we have to reduce to 50. So it's very impossible to do that things also. So, and many things was going in academics also. My marketing research project is going on,
Hmm.
ML project is going on,
Absolutely.
OM term paper is going on, and business management term paper is going on, and some work from my responsibility. I am the alumni relationship coordinator, so that work is going on. And from my BTech life, actually I have connected with nearly so many juniors, so they are approaching me towards their career, about how will they choose their career towards new branches and all, what should they do. Because in my college means nearly 80 students was there, and 40 got selected for gate. So I was little bit busy for that also. Things was going on. I also don't know how my morning start and ends up in nights. So uh, what should I say next? And now, what I'm suffering now, main thing is in sports. Actually, I in my college days I play cricket, table tennis, basketball, and volleyball, and many games I played. But now I'm at home, I can't play any games. So, and I don't like mobile games. So I'm facing that issue that I'm not playing nowadays. And I don't like to study more, and to study means I don't like to study so much. So and the things going on very hard means in online systems. I mentioned already that thing that I like to visit outside every time, but now I'm restricted to one room. So things uh, things means
That's nice. That's nice.
uh,
And that's okay.
un-
That's okay, Vishesh.
unexpected things going on.
Right, right.
Yeah.
Don't
So
get stressed. You know that what happens is that see the situation that we everyone here is facing, right? No one is visiting from here and there, and it is for your own safety. Try to understand the things that you are doing for your own, for your handling or academics, going as a representative, as an alumni representative, as well as helping your juniors out and taking care of family matters, family course as well, and that requires a proper time management as well, right? And that requires
yeah,
initiative from your own inside. So I would like to give you a couple of things that you can note it down, everyone can note it down. So if you ask someone, no, ki what is the important top 3 4 values in your life where you will devote each and everything, setting as a priority, so what you will write? So for everyone, I mean, I can give you time to think about it, but let me help you clarify those things, help you things make easier. So the first thing that we in the very worst situation, when you feel that you are lonely, no one is there, the first priority is that your faith. So you can write your faith, your first priority, where that faith could be anything, whether it could be a religious, it could be spiritual, it could be someone whom you imagine to be your idol, right? That could be one of the faith. Secondly, coming to the second priority should be your family, right? Your family, your colleagues, your friends, your best buddies, those are your second priorities. And then comes your job, right? Then comes your job, your career, your academics, right? And then comes your additional workspace that you do apart from these three things, your additional work stuff, right? And this order needs to be very in the same order we need to devote our time as well. See, and anytime, don't feel sorry about that ki, hey, I was unable to do some additional efforts, I was unable to go to I was unable to attend some of the exams or unable to perform well in my exams because I have to give some priority in the family. Because you understand, these are the top three priorities and you have to prioritize every task according to them. Nowadays आजकल होता क्या है कि people are so much, if you can ask just same question again, tell me how much time, based on how much time you devote in all those three things, your priority it will be from 1 to 3, from 3 to 1. What I mean to say that if I say so, these are the most important top 1 to 3 values in your life. But if I ask you how many time you devote in these values based on your time, right, your priorities will be shifted. So most of the time we devote in our job, career, academics and all. Second, we give to our family, and then third, we give to our spirituality and the faith and all, right? Otherwise the values are very important, so keep that in mind. Every task you do, everything that you do in your life, in your career, academic life, prioritize things accordingly. Secondly, the thing, okay, is this fine?
Yes,
It's
Yeah,
okay.
thank you,
now
thank you.
it's clear.
Great. So what I was saying is that you need to analyze your habits as well. You need to track your daily process so that you can identify which part your of task can be assigned to a particular part, and from then iteratively, it's not a one day process, not a 2 day process, iteratively you can optimize your time accordingly, and then you can set your priorities, and that's way you create the work life balance. Your time management kicks in, and once you mastered Vishesh, no, there is no one who can stop you, right? And
Yeah,
thirdly,
sir.
I know that you are a person who used to go out and all and do some additional outdoor games, play outdoor games. Try to include some things in your daily habit like jogging and running and some bit of exercise. If you do that, that would be really helpful to kick your day in a very enthusiastic way, so that you can do. Okay.
Yeah,
uh,
I will start with that, sir.
Definitely. If you need any sort of help, how to do exercise and all, I definitely please reach out to me. Okay, I might be able to help you out.
Okay,
Great,
okay. Thank you, sir.
awesome. Yeah. Have you read any part of book or have you gone through any videos that I shared?
No,
Okay, that's okay. That's okay. See, the thing is that ki it's not. I told you, no, ki our engagements comes at the fourth point, right? Once you are done with first, second, third and fourth value, then you come to the fourth values. So every time, if you have priorities as a family or a career or job, you can set this priority as the fourth priority anytime, right? But now again, even if you track your daily habits and routine, right, you will be able to find ki, yeah, there are some time where I can devote 10 minutes or 15 minutes of time where I just used it, or just I'm sleeping or napping or just walking here and there. In that time, I just want you to visit those YouTube videos that I have created in the playlist. You can find those in the group description and just walk through it. Actually, what will help us is whatever the discussion that we are having here, no, that will give you a context. So just devote 10 to 15 minutes of time, and definitely it is going to help you in tremendous manner that we talked about in the compound effect. Once you start a positive thing at a particular place, it will consistently done in a very long period of time. It will create a positive ripple effect in every aspect of your life. Okay, perfect.
okay, sir. Definitely.
Great. Thank you, Vishesh, for sharing your thoughts and journey. All right, so Rajni will go to your next. कैसा रहा मतलब
Hello, good afternoon to all.
वेरी गुड आफ्टरनून.
एक्चुअली प्रीवियस वीक में मैं बुक्स पढ़ तो नहीं पाई, लेकिन आप लोगों से बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सपीरियंस मिला मुझे। और पिछले वीक से मैं बहुत ज़्यादा, एक हफ्ते से मेरी तबीयत खराब थी, इस वजह से मैं कुछ ज़्यादा पढ़ नहीं पाई थी।
ओके, तो अभी तबीयत वगैरह सही है? हाउ इज इट?
यस, अभी उतना फाइन नहीं है, बट
ओके. प्लीज टेक केयर. मतलब जो भी घर पे है, तबीयत बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. इससे कम्स एज अ सेकंड प्रायोरिटी. तो उस पर अच्छे से तैयारी करो एंड तबीयत की बिल्कुल ध्यान दो अच्छे से. कुछ किसी भी चीज़ की ज़रूरत हो तो बताया करो, ठीक है? मुझे पता ही नहीं था. यू डिडंट इवन टोल्ड मी. यू कैन कॉल मी एनी टाइम. ठीक है, टेक केयर. एंड दीज आर वेरी टफ टाइम्स, यू नो, एवरीवन हैज टफ टाइम्स. वी आल्सो
इस वजह से मेरी काफी सारी क्लासेस वगैरह भी छूट गई एंड स्टडी भी प्रॉपर तरीके से नहीं हो पाया.
दैट्स ओके, यू नीड टू एक्सेप्ट दैट. अभी हम लोग डिस्कस किए ना कि क्लासेस, करियर, बिजनेस, जॉब, दैट कम्स एज अ थर्ड प्रायोरिटी. So it does not mean, don't feel sorry about it. Why? Because family, you, comes as a second priority, right? Faith, God, that
Yes.
comes as the first priority. So don't feel sorry about that. Try to balance that out. कि मतलब अपना टेक केयर करने के बाद जब प्रायोरिटी सेट हो जाती है, then I can move forward for the academics, career, job or business. Okay? So now you get the context.
Yes.
So don't feel bad about it. It's okay to take care of yourself. It's okay to feel मतलब सब लोग बीमार पड़ जाते हैं, and that's okay. सबकी पढ़ाई थोड़ी छूट जाती है, and that's okay. ठीक है? But understand the priority. Okay, that's very good to know. Good, keep it up, huh?
बट कभी
All
कभी
right.
अब कुछ दिन बाद ऐसा फील हो रहा है, लग रहा है कि जैसे कि मतलब मेरा बहुत कुछ पीछे छूट गया, मैं कैसे हैंडल करूंगी, थोड़ा सा डिप्रेशन लाइक ऐसा
हम्म
कुछ।
it's होता है, and you know why it happens कि ऐसा लगता है because we every time we think कि यार हमें वो करना ही है, करना ही है, करना है, but now you understand कि it's not about करना है, it's about priorities in your life. It about priorities in your life, right? So यदि आपका थोड़ा बहुत छूट भी गया है, seek out help. आपकी फ्रेंड से हेल्प करो, उनके नोट्स लेके आओ, उनको बोलो कि आधा घंटे का एक सेशन मेरे को दे दो, सो दैट कि आई विल बी एबल टू कवर इट अप. यदि कुछ क्विजेज हैं, असाइनमेंट्स हैं, रीच आउट टू योर प्रोफेसर और योर टीचर कि बोलो कि बिकॉज ऑफ माई दिस पर्सनल प्रॉब्लम आई वॉज अनेबल टू कंप्लीट दैट 100 मार्क्स ऑफ असाइनमेंट, कैन यू गिव दैट असाइनमेंट टू मी अगेन? ठीक है, एंड रीच आउट टू मी, I might be able to help you in some of the subjects. Reach out to any of our friends, your families members, your cousins. They are fantastic friends or cousins you have, right? Reach out to them and उनसे help लो and problem को solve करो. एक घंटा एक्स्ट्रा बैठना पड़े लेकिन बैठो, ठीक है? तो प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व
यस।
हो सकती है, ठीक है? एंड प्रॉब्लम्स आती हैं, इट्स ओके टू हैव सम प्रॉब्लम्स. जब प्रॉब्लम्स आती हैं हम सॉल्व करते हैं तभी ग्रो करते हैं. And that's a good thing that you are learning, prioritizing, solving the problems, coming to the front, facing the things. जो चुपचाप दिन के अंदर स्वीट स्वीट बैठा रहता है घर के अंदर ना, उसे कुछ भी लाइफ की लेसन समझ में नहीं आती. Those people are strong who has gone through all the challenges and faced all the problems. Those people are strong, and I'm very proud that you are moving toward that direction. Keep it up. Good.
थैंक यू।
Chalo बढ़िया. Yeah, Ankita, would you like to go next?
Yeah, sure.
Awesome.
So, okay, good afternoon, everyone. And I'm sorry I cannot turn on my video because I'm having some network issues.
Okay, that's okay. That's perfectly okay.
And so, for the previous week, it has been a bit hectic with so much of things from college, like work assignments. But for like every time when it's Sunday and you share that message that we have to connect and will be a discussion, so I be like, okay, I haven't read it, so should I skip the session or should I join? But then every time I think that it's a good habit, somebody is motivating you to, to go and read, which I always wanted to develop as an habit to study so that I can get something knowledge and some good things. So yeah, it's actually a really good thing. So today I was like, whatever I've studied, at least I'll join the session, even if I have two things to speak, but I will, because that is something which I want to to develop in myself, not just escaping or quitting, rather than just facing how things will be. So for talking about this book, yeah, of course, like I'll agree with Dipali when she said it's not that interesting about like the previous one. But yeah, definitely there are so many things in it which I might not develop everything or able to get, but definitely even if I'll get two things out of it or three things out of it, and if I can apply that in my life, that'll be a great thing that I think. And I'm definitely keeping a note this time, writing all the points which I think I should keep and remember for next time. So I'm working on it. I'm definitely looking forward to, the build a good habit of reading and sincerely reading, like devoting every 10, 15 minutes daily. So yeah, I'm working
Great.
on it.
That's fantastic. And you know, Ankita, what happens is that, see, we talked about it, right? See, reading book is just it's just a base of what we are doing here, what we are trying to achieve here, right?
Yeah, right.
And the thing that you mentioned, ki, okay, yeah, I definitely skipped couple of things, couple of times I skipped it. I had a habit of like continuing for 7 days and then skipping for next 13, 14 days and then again continuing, then not becoming a recurrent habit. But once you,
Yeah, right.
like the thing that you mentioned, no, it clicks my mind ki once you are in a particular community where people are coming together and reading the books and then discussing about those topics and talking about their own personal and professional spaces, their academics and career, you resonate with them. Yes, how that is going to impact their lives as a holistic manner. And then you realize ki no, it's very important to get some motivation from them as well, to continue with them their journey as well. And you goodly said that ki it's not only about reading the book, I must say, even if you have not read the books, but once you come here, right, even if you are not speaking a particular a word from the book itself, but again the discussion that we are having here, it will create a very good impression in you, it will create a very positive effect in you. And that's why we are connecting every week. It's not every time that we are discussing about the book and all, but also about various aspects of your life, right? So that we are also discussing in the book itself. So right, so thank you Ankita, and thank you Dipali, Vishesh and Rajni for sharing your thoughts, your how the life has been. So it's almost time, approximately it's 2:33, right? So we'll just wrap it up in 5 minutes. So what I will ask you is that you can just state couple of key nuggets that you have received from this particular book, and then we can finish off this book. Okay. So I will start with mine. So I will say that the couple of things that I really liked about this book is that I have been taking notes. If I can show you, it is something like this. So just give me a second. Let me blur the background. All right, this should be. You can see that I've been taking notes. So every day what I used to do is that I used to copy a particular page and then write couple of key points. So I read every day for 20 to 30 minutes, and whatever the key points I find it here, I just directly copy paste it over here. You can see that, right? So these things what I have been able to use it. This is what I used to do. So it has been a very good thing as well. I mean, applying those principles in life. So a couple of key points I would like to highlight. First thing is that it's a very fantastic thing that the author talks about, that key the only way on the earth to influence people is to talk about what they want, right? What they want and show them how to get it. He has given a very fantastic example leader, right? How can you become influencing people, and how can you become a very good leader? And also he a very simple and sweet and simple thing in a later third chapter, I presume, he talks about that greet everyone with a smile. Even if you are saying good morning, good evening, thank you, welcome, whatever you're saying, right, greet everything with a beautiful smile in your face. So what happens is that many times we see that our feelings are controlling our emotions, कि हम ऐसा feel कर रहे हैं कि that we I don't want to do that, have a very negative or bad feeling. What author says that action and feelings both go hand in hand. Feeling seems to be very illogical. Action is something which is logical. What we can do is that we have control on our logical brain. So logically what we can do is that we can directly control our actions to regulate our feelings. And once that feeling is regulated, our actions are automatically controlled in a positive manner. For example, let's say I'm not feeling very good. My room feels very messy. I don't. It has a very bad smell, and it is giving a very negative emotion energy. Yeah, what I can do is that I can just wait for a couple of days to get everything settled because I'm not feeling well, or I can just control that feeling by taking some actions. What I can do is that I can just clean my room. I can just clean my books and laptop, set up my laptop and all. I can just maybe put some good posters here and there, some beautiful lights and some beautiful smell in my room. And that will create a positive aura because I have given some actions, right? Resetting everything and all. And that will create a positive aura inside me. And then that will create a positive vibe as a feeling. So that way you can relate ki action and feelings go hand in hand. So this is one of the takeaways that you can take, that greet every person with a smile, and action and feelings go hand in hand. So you can control your logical brain by controlling the actions. So these are the one of the important two keywords that I came across. Yeah, anyone would like to go who has read the book? Yeah, please go ahead. Unmute yourself and speak up.
Can I continue?
Yes, please go ahead.
I just read the book, and I think on page number 98, I read in paragraph. In the paragraph is contain the data about a survey which is taken by the telecom company, in which they find that while talking to number of people, we use I like more than other words. So this is something which clearly defines us, that obviously we are more interested in ourselves. Even after when I read this page, I just check it out my whole conversation after that with number of people. Then I realized that this is something which is very true. When I talk with number of people, uh, they are more interested when I am talking or when I'm listening to their point of view or their thoughts. This is something, and obviously, and this is something which create the trust between us. So this is something which I see in practical life. So obviously, the author is so genius, obviously. That's why he put all these points, and this is not about the today era. It was too old book. So I love this example that he put in this. And I don't read this book with my heart, so obviously I am not able to put too much points of this, but I want to add one point which I benefited from this session that is created by you. The thing is, what happened अभी ठीक है. So what happens, sir? In family, I think many of us speak Hindi or like the local language. And in my town, the local language is Bhojpuri. So like 24 into 7 I speak Bhojpuri with all the members that I'm surrounded with. So it is little difficult to speak in English when, because I have only this session with you, which uh, which encourage me or which give me a platform to speak it out. So this is something which after 7 days or between this 7 days I have one, or like obviously this session is all only about 30 or 40 minutes, so at least I get 3 to 4 minutes to speak it out. So this is something which helped me to build this uh, what we say build this
Yeah,
somewhat.
yeah. Practice this English speaking habit as a communication.
So this is something which I am very thankful for it.
Grateful, grateful. And it is very fantastic to share your learnings and book. And everyone here is contributing, right? Everyone here is contributing. We need to thank each and everyone who is present in our group, right? So, yeah, thank you, Deepali, for sharing the wisdoms from the book. Yeah, anyone? Rajni, Ankita, or Vishesh, would you like to go?
Yeah, I would like to
Yeah,
share.
yeah, please.
So, in part 1, chapter 2, there was this thing where it was written, once I did bad and that I heard ever. Twice I did good, but that I heard never. So this literally hit me because it's so true. Like people will make you count your wrongdoings, but would never appreciate for your what you did good. So this is something which is really very important, that we need to appreciate people and not flattery, which is very much mentioned in this chapter also. Flattery is not something which we might want, but which is not healthy and good for the other person. But a true and genuine appreciation would motivate and encourage the other person to do good and to do whatever that person would want to achieve. Again, there was one more thing of not to criticizing people, which is again very true. Rather than having a healthy remark, then rather than criticizing them, is also very important. And yeah, and then we need to, like, again in third chapter of part 1 also it was written, arouse in other person an eager want. You don't
Absolutely.
have to make the other person do something because you want it, but because you want the other person should do it willingly.
Absolutely.
So these are
Absolutely.
the certain takeaways which I
Great, great, great. Absolutely. These are very fantastic takeaways that you heard. And what we need to do is also is that we need to try to understand and go back in our own daily life, and whenever we having conversation with some of the people, and whenever we are thinking and pondering about the things that we do and that we did in the past, and we need to understand how can we apply those principles in our life, how these small things in our daily life affecting our relationship with our families, parents, and friends and all. Many a times what we used to have that ki whenever I'm calling to some of my friend, he is just speaking about himself. So what you need to do is that ki first you need to listen to him, give the space to listen about him. Hey, talk about yourself. Hey, what is the problem happening? And then once you give that space, no, that people will automatically comes to understand, and then he will or she will ask about you, and there becomes the long lasting friendship and relationship, right? So yeah, we need to apply those principles as well in our life. And thank you for sharing very powerful key nuggets from this book. Thank you, Ankita. Yeah, Rajni or Vishesh, any one or two keywords from the book? All right. So what we will do is that you can share a particular one lesson that you learned in our today's session. tell us about anything particular specific that you learned in our today's connect. मतलब आज के डिस्कशन में से आपने कुछ सीखा क्या, कोई भी एक चीज जो आपने सीखी?
Yes, yes. I will just I tell something.
हाँ बताइए.
मुझे आज की मीटिंग से यही लगा कि मुझे अपने मतलब जितने भी क्या कहते हैं,
अभी हम लोग ने डिस्कशन किया ना वो फेथ, फैमिली एंड वर्क वाली वैल्यूज
yes.
है ना, लाइफ के अंदर प्रायोरिटीज हमको सेट करनी पड़ती है. तो सबसे पहली प्रायोरिटी क्या होती है हमारी?
ये हमारा फेथ क्या है,
बिल्कुल. दूसरी प्रायोरिटी?
और देन हमारी सेकंड प्रायोरिटी हमारी फैमिली है.
बिल्कुल.
उसके बाद थर्ड प्रायोरिटी इज आवर जॉब.
जॉब, करियर, एकेडमिक्स और बिजनेस. ओके. बिल्कुल. सो
Yes.
ये चीज ध्यान रखिए कि हमको, और कभी भी लाइफ इज ऑल अबाउट प्रायोरिटीज. ठीक है, कोई भी बिजी नहीं है, कोई भी आपसे दूर नहीं जाता है रिलेशनशिप में या फिर किसी भी और भी जगह पे. इट्स ऑल अबाउट प्रायोरिटीज. व्हाट इज प्रायोरिटी इन योर लाइफ, इन योर करंट लाइफ, राइट? सो वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड दीज थिंग्स. ठीक है, तो ये चीज आपके टेक अवे थी. थैंक यू रजनी फॉर शेयरिंग. या विशेष, एनी की टेक अवेज फ्रॉम आवर टुडेज डिस्कशन दैट यू वुड लाइक टू हाईलाइट?
Yeah, Saurabh. First of all, the main point is you discussed about priority. That is definitely helped me regarding my time management. Second most thing, you mentioned about our feelings and logical mind. Both when they are both in opposite direction, we have to control our feelings, surroundings. So our mind will be give us positivity. So we will do our work in a best way. Third thing, I would like to mention, as Dipali mentioned about, we have to ready for unexpected things also. We can't think that everything will happen what we think. So we have to be ready for unexpected things. So 3 points, these 3 points I've learned, and I will follow these points in my future. So I
Absolutely.
can make better.
Definitely,
Thank you.
definitely. Yeah, it's not a one day process, Vishesh, and everyone, it's not a one day process. It's just a small baby steps that we take daily that will create a magic effect in our daily life, right? It's a very simple thing that we do, right? So just be consistent. Priorities needs to be set right, and then work on that. If you have anything, any doubt in your personal professional space, feel free to directly message me. Okay, I might be able to help if I can in some of the areas. Okay, it was definitely a very nice connect with you all, and yeah, definitely looking forward to go back and apply some of the principles in your daily life and read further chapters. I'll be sending you the chapter number 3 for this session, part number 3 for this next week, and then we'll again connect back with you. All right, have a good day, guys. Have a great week ahead. Take care.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, bye bye. Take care.